Welcome to the WildAx Motorhomes Callisto Independence. This is our specially designed wheelchair accessible motorhome. We're at the NEC at the moment, so you may hear the speakers in the background trying to drown me out, but bear with me. So this is, as I say, really one of the only custom designed wheelchair accessible motorhomes in the UK. Based on a standard panel van, this is not an adapted motorhome where we take an existing motorhome and just alter it. This is a custom design one. The idea is that most people in a wheelchair can access the vehicle, either travel in the wheelchair or in one of the cab seats, and we've got a big washroom in the middle of the van which enables you to use it with a bit more ease than you will find in an adapted motorhome. What we try and do with the design of the Kalisto is build a standard motorhome that's got all your normal motorhome stuff in, then we add to it any mobility or access requirements for each individual person. Because what we acknowledge in this arena is that every customer has got a different need, and because of that then we custom make each van. So the centrepiece of the van really is this washroom. What we wanted to do was design a washroom that was big enough for two people, because often we need a customer and a carer in the washroom. So this is a walk-through or a roll-through shower tray. Custom made for us to our design. The shower tray is a very, very heavy duty fiberglass, not a plastic shower tray, with multiple drain points. So that if you're going to shower, the idea is that if the van's nice and flat, you shouldn't have too much problem with water. The doors are a very clever system. The door is on a sliding system, so that when it closes through, the whole bathroom is enclosed. So if you come and have a look around the corner, you'll see again with this one, as you operate the doors, the toilet becomes visible, and behind this one, as you operate that door, the shower becomes visible. That's going to make the picture turn over on its side, so bear with that one. So, toilet, sink, shower, all very useful. Big, very robust shower tray. So, fold the doors away, and you get access through to the bed area. Now, the bed area is flexible. The way we design it in this standard one is you have two sofas that slide together into a big double bed. Storage under both, with sliding frames that turn it into the bed. So, trying to bang my head on things as I'm walking around. We can do quite a few different things with the bed area, from a fixed bed with more storage underneath it for scooters and wheelchairs, to separate sliding units and various other things. So it's a matter of discussing with those individual needs. The wardrobe space is actually on a moving rail. So if you want to use the bedroom area or configure it as a lounge, you just move it out of the way and you get you more space at the back. If you want to use the kitchen area, slide it down and you've got access to the kitchen. The kitchen is quite comprehensive. You've got a proper 3-ring cooker, oven and grill. You've got the full 3-way fridge as well, fridge, freezer, and WildAx's famous sliding larder, which is in all our vans, which gives you great access to storage. You've got good storage because all around the top of the van you've got cupboards, you've got access to storage areas in the seats, so you've got quite a few areas where you can store things away. The front area in the van here, this is a sofa bench. Now, we have an option to make this into a sliding bed, so you can have a second bed in the van that slides out into a full 6'2", 1 metre wide single bed. So we'll swap ends. So the Kalisto then is a 6.35 metre standard size, width, height panel van, which we convert into a motorhome. We can add to it all sorts of things. You've probably noticed the rail, so that's the sliding hoist, that's optional. We can put side entry steps to bring in, lifts to bring a wheelchair into the van. Some customers need that, some customers need ramps. There's various different options. We can fit the wheelchair tie-down restraint systems with incorporated seat belts, so that a customer can travel in a wheelchair We can fit turny seats that are able to come out of the van and lower down, and you transfer onto it to get into the van. We can fit hand controls and various other features to help people drive the vehicle. The standard van is the Citroen Relay 2.2, 130 brake horsepower, 6-speed manual. For many of our customers, that's an absolutely fantastic vehicle. People that need automatic, then we offer the automatic option on the Fiat Ducato, which is the same vehicle with a different badge on it. That gives you the option of the automatic gearbox, which is the one that's in this particular vehicle. The vehicle itself comes as standard with a very good specification, from multiple airbags to electric windows and mirrors and various other things, Bluetooth and digital radios. So there's all sorts in it as standard, and the standard pricing on the van includes a very comprehensive spec in the motorhome. The motorhome's got big water tanks, 100 litres. It's got a gas and electric heating and hot water system. It's got a refillable gas tank which supplies gas to all the habitation equipment. Our motorhome, just like the whole range that we produce, is fully winterized. It's been tested down to -20 degrees. So like the whole range, it's got grade 3 rating, which is, in the measurement in the European rating system, the highest result you can get. And when we actually attended the test centre with our test vehicles, we actually got one of the best results they'd ever had at the test centre. So very well winterized. Lighting is all LED, and the various power systems we fit in the van are designed to be low powered. It's all quite adjustable, so you can decide which lights you have on in the van and switch things on and off to vary lighting levels, and if you're wild camping, vary the power usage as well. You choose everything when you order a van from us, from the colour of the vehicle to the specification inside to the mobility specification. Most of our Kalistos are sold 0 VAT because the majority of our customers that are ordering the Kalisto are eligible for buying the vehicle 0 VAT, which then brings the price down a bit more as well. We designed the Kalisto in conjunction with Brook Miller Mobility, so this is a 50-50 project. WildAx Motorhomes build the motorhome part, Brook Miller fit the mobility aids, and they've got the specialist knowledge to advise you on various aspects of what can be done to aid you in the access and mobility requirements inside the vehicles. So whichever the question is, whether it's motorhome related or mobility related, we'll be able to put you in touch with a specialist to answer the questions. We have a demonstrator van, which is this one, which enables you to spend some time in the motorhome and get a good feel for it. For those people that don't have the ability to travel to us, it is possible for us to travel to you depending on where you are, so do call us and ask us about that. You'll find lots of details about the Kalisto on our website, which is wildaxmotorhomes.com. You can contact us from the website to ask further questions. Thank you very much for your time, and please do contact us if you want some more information.